All right, so this is a vintage Bradley 1977 made in Korea doll. She is in pretty poor condition, so I wanted to do a video just to show you guys. I'm going to sell it as parts repair. Maybe somebody can fix her up that's crafty. She's, number one, missing an earring. The paint on one eye looks pretty good, but the other one is in pretty poor condition. We'll start with the hat here. You can see there's some staining. The dress has stains all over it. I don't know what it is. I did go down here to this area and I just rinsed it with a little bit of water to see if it would come out at all. It did lighten up some as seen, but I am guessing, and that was just water. I didn't use any cleaner. I'm guessing it's not going to come completely out. But then again, I did not use any stain remover. Here is the top. This is kind of yellowing, or maybe it's supposed to be that color. That part looks pretty good, but definitely some staining underneath. Again, I have no idea what it is. It looks like a watermark, you know, like whatever it was has created this watermark, but probably not water. I'm not sure what. So I'm just going to show you the entire doll. So buyer beware. Item is in poor condition. The hands, you can see the little pokey thing here. This finger needs fixed, repaired. I just couldn't leave her behind. I had to get her just in case somebody wants to fix her up. So I'm going to start this on an eBay auction. So my eBay store is linked down below in the description. Now there's some issues underneath the skirt here too. She's got like this petty skirt thing. The netting is ripped and this piece is broke, which you could easily tape that. That's probably not a big deal. The legs, you know, she's just in poor condition. The stand says, I didn't know the stand had something on it. It says Lady Astor. Does that say Astor? Let's see if we can get a better look here. Lady Astor. So it looks like it sticks into her feet there. So anyway, there it is. That's what you'll get. Sold as is, as seen. She is pretty tall. Let me see if I can get my tape measure here for you. Looks like about, what, 17 inches to the top of her head there, top of her hat. So yeah, sold as is, as seen.